Hey there, gamers! Welcome to this guide on installing Minecraft Java Edition on your iPhone and iPad in 2025. Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about what devices are compatible. You'll need an iPhone or iPad that supports the latest version of iOS. Make sure you have at least 2 GB of RAM and sufficient storage for the game. To download Minecraft Java Edition, start by visiting the official website or a trusted app store. Follow the prompts, and make sure you choose the option for iOS. Next, you'll need to set up a Minecraft Java account. Simply sign up with your email, and remember to verify your account through your inbox. To run Minecraft Java Edition, you'll need a third-party app like Pojav Launcher. Install it, and then you'll be ready to move on. Ensure you adjust the settings for optimal performance. Lower the graphics settings if necessary to keep the game running smoothly on your device. Now, let's join some servers. Click on Multiplayer and enter the server address. Make sure to choose servers that are compatible with Minecraft Java. If you run into any installation issues, double-check your device compatibility and internet connection. Restart your device if necessary. Here are some tips. Keep your device charged, close other apps for better performance, and regularly update both Minecraft and your iOS. And that's it. You are now set to play Minecraft Java Edition on your iPhone or iPad. Have fun exploring the world of Minecraft.